everyone, Nexi here with some exciting news that many of you have been eagerly waiting for. And I'm totally aware. It's not that I was ignoring it. Number one, I'm happy to announce that Train Insane series is coming back to this channel 11th of November 2024. And yes, it's Saturday. This is what has been chosen by Patreons. If you want to have your own voice, you can join the Patreon as well. And they said that Saturday is probably the best day for this because we also have the second channel, so there's a lot of videos coming in. And this will be obviously marked especially in the training calendar. If you don't know what it is, this is a training calendar which shows every single one of the days what you should be training to get better at FPV, and you can get it for absolutely free. It's going to be delivered to your inbox each month if you just sign up for the newsletter. Link to it is down below in the description box and in the pinned comment as well, because hey, why not? So that's one of the really exciting news, and I know it's way overdue, but to be perfectly fair, when I was releasing Train Insane series, it wasn't really popular at all, to be perfectly fair. But in May, I have realized that there's a lot of people commenting on those videos, and they kind of exploded in the YouTube space for some reason. So since May, I'm aware that it's been pretty popular, and to be perfectly fair, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna redo it, and it took a little bit of time and planning and gear to actually make it happen. So I'm really happy to say that it is happening, we're doing it, and yay! But that's not all of the really exciting news, because news number 2 is that FPV Academy, my full-blown course on FPV, is launching also in November, and until 1st of November you can get it 30% off. I'm leaving you a link to it down below as well. And this is a completely structured and full course on all things FPV, and this is not only for beginners. There is a beginner's version, which is the full-blown course, but there's also the more intermediate and advanced pilots one, which is actually focusing on how to train, how to do certain tricks, how to do the flying, and how to get better at FPV. So it's just this part of the course, and the whole course is available for the beginners, and this part of the course is available for the advanced and intermediate pilots that don't really need to know what is a motor, how to pick a motor for your drone, and things like this. So there's something for everyone, but there's also a membership, and in membership you're gonna get access to like-minded community that is willing to help. There's gonna be absolutely no trolls, so if there's gonna be, we're gonna deal with them with fire or something like that. We don't really have a fire, but you know what I mean, right? And also we're gonna have monthly cohorts, monthly calls, on which we're gonna be either going through open Q&As or information that has been requested, or just checking the progress of everyone in the group. And I think it's gonna be a really nice thing, because you can find yourself a little community, your own buddy that will be checking with you, like, you know, accountability buddy and things like this. So this is going to be absolutely amazing. And during the pre-sale, when it goes to the membership, you can get the lifetime access to it, and later there will be no more lifetime access. It's going to be either a monthly or a yearly subscription. So right now you can buy it for 30% less than a yearly subscription, and it's going to be lifetime. So if you want to save some money on this and you think it's going to be cool, probably a really good place to be. And furthermore, if you use the code SENDIT, you're gonna get 5% off extra, because thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for watching my videos in general, and I just want to give something, you know, from myself to you. I think it's a really nice, you know, like a little cherry on the top of a cake, which I don't like cherries, like a strawberry on top of a cake, much better. You like cherries? So if you are ready to take your FPV skills a little bit higher, this is really the time to be, I think. Starting November, we're gonna be going really hard on all things FPV, and that means that yes, more FPV content, educational content, and vlog content is coming to this channel. Although I'm not entirely sure how much flying I will be able to do until the end of the year, but 2024, I'm starting with a really long FPV trip. I'm gonna spend 2 months in a couple of countries, including Middle Earth and New Zealand. And during those 2 months, I'm going to be traveling all over the place, flying, doing a lot of really cool footage, and the vlogs connected with travel and FPV. So if you are here for FPV vlogs and travel vlogs. It's still gonna be here, don't worry about it, nothing's gonna be changed, and those usual videos will be still published on Thursdays. The Train Insane videos will be published on Saturdays for as long as I have content for those videos. So this now goes back to you. Hi, how you doing? Because I want to ask you especially, what type of obstacles or tricks or things like this would you like to learn? What would you think would be really interesting to have in Train Insane Velocidrone series? I have around 20 videos already planned, scheduled and everything like this, but if you have any type of special request, if there's something that you want to know educationally or again Train Insane, just please let me know down below in the comments, so then I can cater to your best needs, because you know, I think every single one of us has different needs and different things that we need to get explained to us or want to train. So if I can cater for you, absolutely great. So this is all when it goes to the news from this video. I know it's just informational video, nothing interesting, I know, but sometimes I think we need those. So yeah, this is it. I know that there's a couple of people who will still ask me for the live streams. We're currently going to be changing the internet provider here where I am, but I'm not sure if I will be able to keep all things going running before I leave to Australia, and I'm not sure what will be the situation there. But that means that at the latest, when I come back from all of the FPV trips and airspeed and everything, we're gonna be doing live streams again, and that includes either FPV Beginner Corner, just random tea and talk, or end gaming, because gaming is coming back, absolutely. So if you are on board with all of the things incoming, FPV, training, educational stuff, and all those things, leave me a like so I know that you like it and that you are absolutely on board. Leave me a comment if you have anything cool to say, or even if you want to just leave me an emoticon. I really like the purple and black heart. I can totally leave it all over the place. So yeah, thank you very, very much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Stay some fun. Bye!